who are you going to call? A mechanic, an engineer, or the CEO of a car company? Of course, you say the mechanic, but you have to know that, right? Because each of these three persons that we've called have different roles. And calling the wrong person for a different role means that there are different expectations for different deliverables. And of course, this usually leads to frustration. Many small business owners use the words bookkeepers, accountants, CPAs interchangeably as if they mean the same thing. They don't. And misunderstanding the differences between these professionals is a source of a lot of frustration, and most times people also lose money. So today we are going to clarify the differences between the roles that is played by these different professionals, and help you also to understand which one you really need to hire at what point according to the needs of your business. So at the very bottom you have the bookkeeper. So the bookkeeper does more work in terms of volume, but less in terms of technical work. And the person at the top, who is the CPA, will do less work in terms of volume, but more work in terms of technical skills. So the bookkeeper, who is a record keeper, his job is mainly just to pick up data from the transactions that are coming in, sales invoices, bank statements, and organize them, usually using an accounting software. Then the accountant, who is the person in the middle, you can call him an analyst. And in some companies where you don't have a bookkeeper, you might have a junior accountant and a senior accountant. And the junior accountant will definitely be doing the work of the bookkeeper, and then the senior accountant will be doing the analyst work, where their job will be to analyze the financial data that has been put in the system and then use them to prepare financial reports and prepare budgets. And at the very top, you now have the CPA. The CPA is somebody who has probably gone through all the knowledge base that you need to be a professional accountant and gotten that certification. And then he actually provides strategic advice to the company. So what he does is that he uses the reports that have been prepared by the bookkeeper and analyzed by the accountant to actually check for compliance. He does audit, he does tax compliance, he does tax planning, and then he will also be able to do projections for the company. Then in terms of the typical reports that are required for each of these professionals, for a bookkeeper, it's just expected that they should keep clean day-to-day report of transactions. Then for an accountant, it's expected that the accountant should be able to give us financial reports and budget.